to get RoPro on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get RoPro on mobile. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Kiwi browser, and after that just go ahead and install the application in your mobile device. And once the application has been downloaded, just simply click on open and open the app. And after that on the search bar over here just simply search for Google Chrome Store, and just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top. And now just zoom a little bit, and on the search bar just simply search for RoPro, and now just simply click on add to Chrome and just simply click on OK. And now this extension will be added into your mobile device in the Chrome browser. So this is basically how you will be able to get RoPro on mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.